What is going on, everybody? Today we have the Acebeam Rider RX in the house to take a look at. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we have going on. So we got the charging cord, instruction manual, lanyard, extra washers. Okay. This is a very cool flashlight. This is in full titanium. Got some kind of sticker thing here. Okay. Get that off there. There's all kinds of little stickers on here. Let's get that off there. Okay. This is very interesting design. They have ball bearings in here. Make the flashlight kind of fidgety. Yeah, it's pretty interesting how they designed it. Obviously, it also designed it so it will tail stand when you flip it open in that locked position, and they very much do stay pretty locked in there. So that's pretty good, like, you know, so you can tail stand it. That's a good feature when you have a push button that is definitely standing a little more out of the range. Also allows you to access the battery. So we just unscrew it, get the little safety thing out of there. Oops, there goes the 14500 battery. So we have the 14500 battery, and it is rechargeable, obviously through your cord here. So that is very cool. Get that sucker back on in there. Oops, and we're going hot. Going hot. Okay. Get that in there like that. Okay. So we got half push and half push to cycle through your modes, and full push when you're ready to choose your mode. So very, very cool. This will take a standard AA battery too. I absolutely love that. I think it's very interesting how they do some of the design in this is very much to kind of keep a spacing in here to allow it to cool off. I think that's very interesting how they do that. We've got an interesting little groove in there. Yeah, so yeah, they got a groove in here going this way, but they don't have a groove going that way, and you can see it's already kind of scuffing the titanium. Not a big deal, but do like the pocket clip. Got a nice reversible pocket clip you can put on a hat, so very, very cool. Very built very nicely. And like I said, can be a little fidgety if you choose to fidget with it. It's kind of a little awkwardness as a flashlight and the fact that it's kind of coming out there, it makes it a little awkward to maneuver, but you can kind of do it. But I do think it's very interesting. It's very cool that because of the mode of being able to move it around, you can tail stand it. Can put it on a hat. There are a lot of options for you to, depending on what you need through a course of a day, or well, I should say a night. You can still access the button even inside there if you have slim fingers like I do. If you don't, then you're obviously going to have to bring the switch out first and then choose your mode. But yeah, very interesting flashlight. Look forward to digging into it a lot more. And so there you guys go. That is the Acebeam Rider RX. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.